My first assumption is that you've heard of an IUL and that you're interested in it, but you also have some questions. My second assumption is that you've likely gone to Google, typed in IUL, and you've gotten mixed reviews. My third assumption is that you may have come across the talking heads and financial gurus on TV saying things like, life insurance is a bad investment. You should buy a term and invest the difference. Max out your 401k to save on taxes. Now, here's the problem with maxing out your 401k to save on taxes. First of all, most people can't max out on their 401k because they don't make enough money. The maxing out of your 401k is $23,000 fucking dollars. Now, realize if you're making enough money to put away $23,000 when it's time to retire, your lifestyle is probably going to be substantially more expensive than $23,000, right? Number one. Now, let's just use some simple math and tax code. If you have, let's say you make $123,000, right? We're just going to use, and you put that $23,000 in your 401k, bring your taxable income down to $100,000, right? So now you're paying less taxes today, but because of 401k is something called tax deferred, what happens is when you're retired, you're no longer willing and or able to go to work, right? So like the old lady who goes and retires at 65 and then you see her at 75 working at Walmart checking receipts, this is why. She retired with the 401k, even if she maxed it out. But then here's the thing, she saved on taxes too. But now she's 65. And she's retired. And she's like, okay, let me receive this $23,000 a year. Oh, by the way, that $23,000, she's going to have to pay taxes on that because she didn't pay taxes on that 20 years ago when she maxed out the 401k. So now the federal government is like, well, we gave you a tax break all those years ago. Now we want our cut, right? So if they don't get their cut, they're going to break your legs, right?